Hello and welcome to Muddy River Mixology Monday. This is Jake. I'm Robbie. Today we have an awesome, easy cocktail for you. Jake, what are we making?
I'm making cherry lemonade.
Nice, dude.
Hard cherry lemonade.
Nice. Hard, real hard.
Yeah.
All right, for this drink, we're gonna need the following ingredients. We're gonna need lime juice, or limes, but lime juice. Cherries, maraschino.
And the syrup.
And the syrup that's inside them, or on the outside.
Or surrounding.
You're gonna need Sprite, or lemon lime soda. You're gonna need, most importantly, silver Carolina Rum. Can you use other rums in this?
You should.
Okay, just the silver Carolina Rum for
That's
this.
the best one for you.
Sweet. All right, step one, dude. What we got?
Step one, we're gonna put a few cherries in the bottom of our glasses.
Cool,
We're
cool.
gonna fish some cherries.
All right, so we got the cherries in the glass. Now, what?
We're gonna add ice.
Ice.
Yeah. All right. Next, we're gonna add 1 ounce of cherry juice or syrup from the jar.
Let me do that for you.
Yeah, appreciate it. This is the reason I like using a lot of cherries in this drink also, is because you use up all the syrup. The cherries have nothing to sit in, so I just put a bunch of cherries in to kind of.
Ah, you want that cherry to stay buried in the syrup.
Exactly.
Gotcha, bro.
And the 1 ounce on the syrup's the recommendation. You can add a little more depending on how cherry you want this drink to be.
Oh, we're doing the lime or the rum?
It doesn't really matter. We'll do the rum. You
Okay.
got it. Yeah, 2 ounces of rum apiece.
I'm gonna rinse this glass out.
Cherry syrup. Wouldn't want to get cherry syrup on the counter.
Cocktail.
All right, next we're gonna add 1 ounce of lime juice. Alrighty. And last but not least is gonna be 8-ish ounces of Sprite. If you get the mini cans, those are 7.5 ounces. They're perfect because you can just take one for every drink you make. It's really easy. Otherwise, about 8 ounces.
That's a pretty one.
Yeah, now we're gonna stir it up.
All right.
Not gonna be quite as pretty anymore, but still
Still pretty.
pretty good looking, yeah. I like keeping my cherries in the bottom because when you're done with the drink, you get to eat the cherries.
Kind of like a Shirley Temple.
This is a Shirley Temple with lime juice and alcohol.
All right, folks,
All
hope
right.
you enjoyed this cocktail. The recipe will be in the description below, along with links to our social media and our website. You can find our products in your local liquor store. And we do tours of this place, so come out and check us out, see how we make the rum, and taste all these wonderful products. Cheers, and thanks for watching.
Cheers.
That's good, easy and good. The headless man puts the ice in the bucket. It puts the ice in the bucket! God!
All the way down the bottom is
This ice bucket's too full!
when you're drinking, they're just sitting.
Ripping that jar forward.
Well, yes, I can.
Dang, girl.
This week on Muddy River Mixology Monday, we'll open jars.
Hard. Hello and welcome to Muddy River Mixology Monday. This is Jake. Yeah, I really snuck that one in there. You expect another 5 minutes of me trying to do it.
did.
Hello and welcome to Muddy River Mixology Monday. I'm just kidding.
Thank you.
You ready?
Take 3.
1,000. Hello and welcome to Muddy River Mixology Monday. This is Jeff.
Hi, I'm Jeff.